Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to play music using your Android TV using the Spotify app. So if you have the Spotify app on your Android TV, head over to the application. If you do not have the application yet, check out the videos on this channel showing you how to download apps, how to install apps using various methods on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. So in the previous videos, I showed you how to create a Spotify account and how to log into the account. So now I want you to go back and you'll be able to play music at the end of this tutorial. So click on the apps and scroll down to the application of choice, open Spotify, and you'll be greeted with your home page. You could search for musics of your choice. You could look for songs and records right here, clicking the search button. You could find your recent and preferred artists on the home tab. Your library is where you have a summary of all your collections, your artists, podcasts, and events. You could scroll down to premium or premium access, and when you choose a song, maybe from the home tab, you could choose a song like any song of your choice. In this case, I could choose this song right here. Just click on the song, and when it side loads to this panel right here, click on the play button and you'll be jamming to your favorite hits. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.